Okay, it's been a while since I wore this. I am an old lady. My bones are rusty and dusty, and it hurts. I like frosted flakes, frosted flakes. I'm gonna eat some. It's 3:58 in the morning. And my eyes are starting to tear. I don't even want to film the shots my back. I don't even know how I ended up here, but I like it.
Homies, it don't matter, you don't know me. I've been rolling with my team, we the illest on the scene. I've been riding around the city with my squad. I've been riding around the city with my squad.
Every time I put on lashes, my eyes just start tearing, and I feel like it's gonna just wash everything away in a minute. Oh, I hope it doesn't, because I'm gonna be pissed off. Because I've been doing this for 2 hours. Okay. Oh, yep, nope. It's starting. I need tissue. You are killing me. Okay. No.
No emotion, that's what business is. Lord have mercy on the witnesses. Take my hand through the flame. I told you, I'm just a sucker for pain. More pain, got me begging, 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 begging. For more pain, got me begging, 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 begging. For more pain.
My hair. It's big now. It's a big girl now. I want to go to bed. Go to bed. I wanna go to bed. Go to bed. Go to bed. Alright, let me stop around and finish this. I'm gonna move now. Oh no. Oh no. Oh. Oh. This is a terrible idea. It's like inside my nose. This liquid lipstick does not come off for shit. Now I look like I have a bloody nose. What do you want? What do you want? What do you want from me? This is taking obnoxiously forever, and I'm fucking tired. It's been like 6 hours, and it's fully daylight now. I still haven't learned my lesson on starting at 12. I shouldn't do that. Okay.
Cavalgando no deserto da prática, o cowboy da música é bom ator. Aquela cara de durão, espelho da solidão.
My face is so white. I'm losing all my color. This is really awkward. This is gonna take some time for my eyes to get used to. I can't. Alright, we'll see how this goes. Are you getting sassy with me right now? I'm trying to understand. What do you want? Sass master. Okay. No, you're not getting any more snacks. Don't hit me. Nope. You know I'm gonna get any more snacks. Alright, fine.
That's me.
Down.
Standing in the mirror.
Look.
Put that acid thing hanging around my neck.
Touch your shoulders.
That's gold.
Down.
Show me some
Now
respect.
take it to church.
I thank God every day.
You just got to church. You're just starting to feel the spirit.
Feeling this way.
Okay. It's time to take over your body. Single.
I was
Double.
you. I'd wanna be me too.
Double.
I'd wanna be me too. I'd wanna
Right
be me.
on up. Go.
You sleeping? You okay? You look grumpy. Are you grumpy? Why are you so grumpy? Okay. Don't be grumpy. Okay? I'm not finished.